We shall see what happens. Right now, though, take a look at the forecast. Meteorologist Robert Suhr joining us right now. Nice little cool off compared to, if you could call it that, but the humidity is still kind of hanging out there.
Yeah, but if you go outside, you notice it's not nearly as oppressive as it was a few days ago.
Sure.
The humidity is slowly starting to creep down. But you mentioned a few minutes ago the holiday travel. We just talked about it. Yeah. We actually have to start off with that now because that is a live look at I-40 near Clarksville. Multi-vehicle accident with injuries. Apparently, all of the emergency responders are there based on the amount of tow trucks and police cars that we're seeing. This is the eastbound side of I-40, so it is a hot mess near Clarksville. If you know somebody that's coming from that area, they will most likely be late. Now, here is a look at our temperatures over the next 5 days. Right around average until we get toward the second half of the work week. If you are working this week, cold front could slide through here and really knock our temperatures down quite a bit below average. Now that could come with quite a bit of rainfall as well, but still this trend of below average temperatures could actually continue for a good part of July. And some of this information and data I'm seeing from some of the climate models. River Valley about the same thing, right around where we should be. And then it really tails off as we get into Thursday. Fayetteville right now, look at that sunset. Doesn't get much better than that. We are losing daylight. Okay, we're now in, first day of summer was over a week ago. Each day is starting to get incrementally shorter now. So these sunsets will get sooner and sooner and sooner as we go through the next couple of months. 92 in Fayetteville today, 4 degrees above the average of 88. There is a look at Fort Smith right now in Interstate 540, 97 today in Fort Smith. A handful of degrees above the average of 93. Right now, Northwest Arkansas, mostly in the lower 80s, a couple of upper 70s at this hour. And in the River Valley, about the same thing, mid 80s or so, with a couple of upper 70s right now. Poto, Worcester, Coal Hill, Clarksville, all a little bit cooler. Dew point starting to creep. It's a very slow descent toward more comfortable air, but upper 60s are better than mid 70s, especially when it comes to our dew points. Now, going to have this front continuing to cross the area tonight. Still could pop off a shower or two. Probably not. As it gets deeper into the Ouachitas tomorrow, it's going to stall. And then right along it, we could see a couple of showers start to flare back up tomorrow afternoon in the River Valley. Along and south of I-40 shouldn't be that big of a deal. I think Northwest Arkansas will stay dry all day tomorrow. And then that front will try to lift back north on Monday. And we'll do it all over again with a couple of pop-up showers in the River Valley. Maybe one of those storms tomorrow becomes strong to severe, according to the SPC boys. But again, mainly along and south of I-40. And this could be the start of a wet week. You can see Weather Prediction Center saying at least an inch of rain across our area through next Friday. So keep that in mind. Lows tonight, 60s and 70s, about where we should be, and about where we should be for our highs tomorrow, 80s and lower 90s. There's a look at the extended forecast. Not a bad Monday in Northwest Arkansas. We should stay dry before more pop-up showers and storms roll in here for the 4th of July. Best chance for rain, I think, is Wednesday night and into Thursday. But notice those temperatures, 5-6 degrees below average. River Valley, about the same thing. Better chance for maybe a stray shower Monday. And then the rest of the week looks pretty wet with chances for rain, especially Wednesday night. Stay with us. Cameron's back right after these messages with a quick look at your hog news.